Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews on must-have products. Today, we're diving into the best air fryer 360 oven, the Emeril Lagasse Everyday 360 stainless steel air fryer. If you're in the market for an all-in-one kitchen appliance that's going to replace several of your countertop gadgets, this is the one you've been waiting for. It combines a convection oven, air fryer, rotisserie, dehydrator, and more into one sleek, powerful appliance. Let's start with the design. The Emeril Lagasse 360 is built with premium stainless steel, which not only gives it a modern, professional look but also ensures durability for the long haul. This air fryer is not just about looks, it's got performance that matches its appearance. Thanks to its 360 degrees quick cook technology, it cooks your meals faster and more evenly than traditional ovens, reducing cooking time by up to 40%. It has 5 super powerful heating elements that ensure crispy, golden results every time without the need for added oil or grease. What makes this appliance truly stand out are its 12 preset cooking functions. Whether you're in the mood for crispy air-fried chicken, a roasted turkey, or even a fresh pizza, this air fryer can handle it all. It's got settings for baking, broiling, toasting, slow cooking, reheating, and even dehydrating fruit or making jerky. The 930 cubic inch capacity is perfect for families or anyone who likes to meal prep in bulk. You can easily fit up to 6 slices of bread, a whole chicken, or a 12-inch pizza inside. The LCD digital display makes it easy to choose the right function, and the cooking timer helps you achieve the perfect meal every time. Another great feature of the Emeril Lagasse 360 is its versatility. With the crisper tray, rotisserie spit, pizza rack, and baking pan included, you're set for any recipe that comes to mind. No need for multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen counter when you've got this one powerhouse tool. It's perfect for those who want to save space while maximizing cooking options. Now, let's talk about health. Air frying is one of the best ways to reduce calories in your meals. By using hot air circulation instead of deep frying, this appliance allows you to enjoy your favorite comfort foods like fries, chicken wings, and even donuts with up to 70% fewer calories. It's a great choice for anyone looking to eat healthier without compromising on flavor or texture. Emeril Lagasse, a name trusted in kitchens worldwide, has packed this air fryer with all the features that make cooking easier and more enjoyable. And with a variety of accessories included, you'll be able to cook anything from snacks to full meals with ease. If you're looking for a device that can do it all, from crisping and roasting to baking and slow cooking, the Emeril Lagasse Everyday 360 stainless steel air fryer is a game changer. So, if you're ready to elevate your cooking game and save time, this is the appliance you need. Be sure to check it out and see for yourself how this multi-functional powerhouse can transform your kitchen. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products.